Guys, the CA and the US CPA is one of the most popular combinations that we have around in the market right now, and a lot of people who are either qualified CAs or semi-qualified CAs often ask us if combining the US CPA with their current qualification, which is the CA, whether it is a good decision or not. So hopefully through this video we'll be able to answer this question. Hi guys, I'm Rushil. I'm a part of the academics team here at Zell Education, and at Zell we train hundreds and thousands of candidates every single year for accounting and finance courses such as the US CPA, the US CMA, the CFA, ACCA and Diploma in IFRS. Before I get to the topic at hand today, we've also made several videos to do with the US CPA. So if you're someone who needs more details about the US CPA course, I would encourage you go and watch those videos first. Now getting to the topic at hand, is the US CPA after the CA a valuable qualification and a good addition to your CV? Well, to answer this question very simply, yes it is. Why is it a good qualification or a good combination to have is simply because when you do the CA, you have pretty much learned the Indian standards which are derived from the IFRS. When we talk about the US CPA, you're mastering the US GAAP, which is the generally accepted accounting principles. Guys, any qualification that has the US stamp on it holds value on its own. However, when you talk about the US CPA, the US CPA can be completed in a span of a year, and the US CPA opens gateways for you to other countries starting with the US and Canada, countries like Australia, countries like New Mexico and all of these different places. Guys, when we talk about the US CPA, the eligibility for the US CPA is such that you would need 4 years of education in order to be eligible for the US CPA. If you are already a qualified or a semi-qualified CA who has pursued their graduation, you should be eligible for the US CPA course. It saves you the hassle of going through an MCOM or going through a postgraduate diploma to begin with. Guys, additionally, why a lot of people pursue the US CPA after the Indian CA is it makes you one of the most desirable profiles at the moment with regards to the Big Four and other MNCs. Guys, a lot of companies that outsource their business to India, companies like Apple, Amazon, the Big Four, these companies need US CPA on their accounts, on their team, in order to ensure that they're able to comply with the rules that the US government needs for the companies that are listed in the US. Guys, upon completion of your US CPA, you can also get a Canadian CPA or an Australian CPA with no additional exams. All you have to do is you have to get registered with the state board of those particular countries where you want to get your license. You have to write a basic ethics exam in some regions, and you have to prove to the state board that you're a person in good standing, and that should also earn you your Canadian CPA or your Australian CPA if that is something you really desire. So guys, hopefully through this video I've covered everything that you've wanted to know why the US CPA after an Indian CA, or if you're a qualified CA, is a good option. You're essentially becoming the Indian CA and the global CA. Again guys, if you all have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If there's any additional questions that you have with regards to the US CPA eligibility, how do we go about with the training, if you'd like to get the Zell experience, get in touch. The number is in the description box below. Guys, if this is the first time you're coming to our channel, thank you so much. And if you're a regular viewer of our channel, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. What that will do is that will push YouTube to show this video or recommend this video to other candidates such as yourselves who might find this helpful. Also, one more tip to add here is we have our own learning management system, or LMS. Through this LMS you can watch our study content, watch our live lectures, you can go through the study material, and hopefully this will help you make a better decision when it comes to the US CPA.